Sure, let me film a little bit.
Yeah, but you want to swing on the high swing or low swing?
I want people to see what this looks like as they put the fence
You
up.
want to swing on the high swing or low swing? High swing or low swing? Which one? I said...
Whichever you like, Rosie, is fine.
No, whichever you choose is fine. I don't care. Come on. High or low? High or low? Come on. Now which one? Come on, choose.